Hello everyone, in this video I show you how you can fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching or crashing on PC. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Now you're going to right click on Ghost Recon Wildlands, click Properties, Install Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files here. While it's doing this process, now you're going to close this up, you're going to minimize Steam, and you're going to open up Xbox app on your computer. And then you're going to click onto your username, click on the Support, Gaming Services Repair tool. Click Start Repairing them. After that, you go to NVIDIA app and go to Driver if you have Update Clients in Update. Now, the thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. You're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you how to do it on Intel first, and then I'll show you AMD and NVIDIA. You're going to come here, click onto Support Download Center, then you're going to click onto Graphics here. You're going to search for a graphics card here, Intel ARC B580 for example, and then you're going to download the latest Intel AR drivers on your computer and install them. Now onto AMD. Come here, click onto Resource and Support. Click onto Driver. You're going to scroll down, click onto Graphics Radeon RX. Select the graphic card series and then Model. Click Submit. Click on the operating system and download the latest AMD and drivers on your computer. Now onto NVIDIA. Come here, click onto Driver. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select the graphic card series and then Model along with your operating system. Click Find then, and then it will look for the latest GFS Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done finding the drivers, you're going to install the drivers on your computer and then you're going to restart it. After you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right-click on Ghost Recon Wildlands, click onto Properties, Install Files, and then you're going to click onto Verify Integrity Game Files here. Once you do that, it's going to verify your game's files. And then you're going to click onto Browse here to go into Ghost Recon Wildlands Games folder. Or, if you want to know where the location is, you're going to open up your Explorer. You're going to go to your Steams folder and then Steam Library. Now, Steam Apps Common, and then Ghost Recon Wildlands here. Now, you're going to right-click on the Ghost Recon Wildlands. Click onto Properties, Compatibility, click on to Run this program as an administrator, and also click Disable for screen optimizations. After that, click Apply, OK, and then close this up.